I'm a project engineer technologist with StarTech, and I'm currently working on a retrofit project. At the moment behind me, what we're doing is what we call a chemical wash, because the unit was previously used in a SAR operation. A lot of the vessels and piping has some corrosion and also some buildup of contaminated oil and other foreign material. We're trying to do this chemical wash to essentially strip off all that oil, all that rust and contamination, so the client has a brand new unit to use. The chemical wash is done in 5 stages. So the first stage is essentially just a pressure test with water to make sure there's no leaks and everything's flowing nicely. Once that check is completed, we will move to the second stage of the cleaning, which is a chemical wash. It's an acid wash to remove the residual oil and rust and dirt inside the piping and vessel. After that's complete, we do a third stage acid wash, and that is a more aggressive wash to essentially strip off the rust, the remaining rust from the walls of the pipeline, a pipe and vessel. The fourth stage is a pacification. So they will flow a pacification chemical to neutralize all the acid. The fifth stage would be just a water wash, just to flush out the remaining chemicals. So once that is all completed, we will bring it into the shop and start doing the replacement of the part and doing our testing. And also at that time, we will reinstall the compressor. Once we're done with this package, the client will be able to take it on site and fire it up without any issues.